boys and girls, we're out here with the Syma X14, the new fighter. Look at that. It's a real beauty. Looks like a spaceship. There's the transmitter. It's your typical Syma one. There's almost every one of their quadcopters now have this transformer, or transmitter, or transformer, whatever you want. It's up to you. Okay, it only has the 2 rates. Here's the slow one, the super slow. And then there's the faster rate, which you can see it's faster. There's the flip button right there. You have to hold it in. It's not one of them just tap it deals. You got to hold it in and press the direction of the transmitter. Press the direction you want it to go in. This is, well, you know, this is an indoor thing too. You can fly this indoors because it has those little bumpers on there, and they're not removable unless you use a you know, wire cutter or whatever. I recall when I flew this last year, it doesn't have a lot of range. The range is very limited on this thing, from what I recall. And also the way the trim works is weird. You have to hold the stick down, I think. The right or the left stick, and then you have to move the right stick at the direction of the trim. It's kind of weird. But all the Symas are going to that now. And even I seen a couple of the, yeah, I got most of it trimmed out now. But most of the, or some of the Hubsan ones are doing that too. I guess it saves them on using all those buttons, you know. This doesn't have a camera on it or any of that stuff, but this is one of them like 200-foot jobbers. You know, I wouldn't go any more than 200 feet away with this thing, which I think is about what this deal is right here, this park. I never measured, I think I did measure this one actually from here to that berm right there is like 225. That would be the limit for this thing here. Because as soon as you start getting that far away, you're going to start losing bind with this thing. Okay, it's not just, you know, it's just not going to hang. And then, of course, you know, because it has the altitude hold, it's going to be old flyaway city. Does nice flips. They're not real tight, but there's a bug right there. I'm trying to chop them up. You see the pitch on this in the low rate, right? It's almost nothing. Oh, there goes the lights flashing already. Man, that was short. I think I got 7 minutes out of it before, but I don't know about this. Yeah, that's definitely the low battery warning there. No doubt. I thought I saw some critter floating around over there. All right, we'll just bring it over here. Yep, that's what that is. Oh well, so it goes. We'll see. I'll look at the voice recorder. 6 minutes and something. So I guess the battery's not up to snuff anymore as like it was, because I'm pretty sure when I did the first review on this thing, it was 715 or something along them lines. So I guess the battery is starting to go bad. That's what happens with these things after a couple years or a year and a half. They start going bad. So I flew this a lot in the house. It's just I only made one video with it, but in the house I tinker around with this thing. So the battery's been charged a few times. All right, boys. I'll talk to you later.